Температура воздуха днем плюс 5, плюс 7. В Москве переменная облачность без осадков. Утром слабая гололедица. Ночью минус 3, днем плюс 9.
Как быть, если вы уверены, что все зависит только от вас? Вам кажется, что вы...
Oh my God!
Part is really especially problematic here is because you have to be in the network to get the warnings. You have to, like, you know, the whisper network is only useful if you are actually able to.
А смс-ка прийшла?
Блять, ёб твою мать.
a little bit more generous when a public woman says, hey, I think you're cute, I'd like to go on a date with you. You know what he should have said? I should be so lucky. That's the only response that he should have given. Instead of saying, oh, Chelsea, she's so wild and crazy. We shouldn't make women feel, because they're outspoken, that they're wild or crazy.
Holy shit!
About this because I don't want you to know what the casualties end up being, so I'm just gonna say, yeah, that was a silly word choice, narrator.
So the destroyed gargoyle turns to Harry and says, "Oh, don't mind me. We'll just lie here and crumble."
Like, Mr. Gargoyle, nobody's worried about you right now. So much more important.
It's just it's incredible. Like, they do it for giant crates. Where it's just like, take this guy. A flow chart where it's like,
go!
This guy, and then
Oh my god, lady, what are you doing?
And then a trade scenario if you want to. I mean, it is absolutely.